Welcome to the TrainND Northwest UAS Park and Training Grounds, a project born out of two significant needs. First, the necessity for a safe, dedicated space to train students in our Unmanned Aircraft Systems program, and second, the desire to provide a public venue where the community can explore the exciting world of drones. As we launched our UAS training program, it became clear that having a controlled environment was essential for both safety and effective learning. But beyond that, we wanted to create a space that invites the public to practice flying drones, explore career opportunities, and maybe even spark the next big idea in drone technology. Phase 1 of this project, the Training Grounds, was completed last fall, providing our students with a state-of-the-art facility to hone their skills. But we didn't stop there. Thanks to some incredible partnerships, we were able to combine Phase 2, which was initially planned as a public park, with Phase 3, an outdoor amphitheater. This amphitheater will be a centerpiece for education and demonstration events, offering a unique venue for the community to gather, learn, and engage with the latest in UAS technology. We're excited to share that Phases 2 and 3, including this amphitheater and some newly donated fruit trees, are projected to be finished by August 26th. These donated fruit trees will add a touch of natural beauty to the park and will be available for the public to enjoy. We're creating not just a training ground, but a welcoming community space where everyone can feel at home. Looking ahead, we have plans to add seating, low-voltage ground lighting, and even a water feature at the west entrance of the park. These enhancements will further enrich the experience for everyone who visits. If you're interested, we are currently accepting donations and memorials to help bring these additional features to life. The TrainND Northwest UAS Park is truly a passion project for us, and we hope the public will enjoy and make full use of this beautiful space. Join us in keeping it as amazing as it is today and be part of something special in our community.